All right, my friend, welcome back to the channel. At the time you are watching this video, we are literally days away from the myEcon 2025 global launch where I'm not even kidding you. Millionaires will be made, my friend. Please don't take this lightly, okay? This is 20 years in the making, and this is going to be adding thousands and thousands and thousands of new team members into myEcon. And if you don't believe me, you can literally just sit back and watch everyone else become successful instead of you. But if you want to take this video seriously and you are inside of the United States, links in the description down below to lock in now. Again, cannot stress how important this is right now. If you get in ahead of time, we have traffic rotators set up and are going to be blasting thousands of clicks to our traffic rotator, and you could be in there and your link could be getting massive exposure to the new global market once this launches at the end of this week. So again, link in the description down below. If you hit that link, it's going to take you over here to my page, okay? Select your level. It doesn't matter to me. I'm going to refresh this so the dates line up. Boom, there we go. It doesn't matter to me what level you get into. Just pick a level. Come in at, the 100, the 45, the 25. I don't care. Just get in. Make sure you're in so you can get in the rotator. We could be sharing your link for you and help you be getting massive exposure. I just updated for those of you that are outside of the United States. I'm going to give you a couple things to do here, okay? If you're outside of the United States, make sure, number one, that you are on my launch list right here, okay? Go here to the launch list. Right, and get your, put in your name, your email, all that. I even updated the page this morning. Says official global launch 3:15. So right there. The other thing, and this is super, super, super important. So you're gonna know in the moment that when this launch goes live, you're gonna get an email notification, not only from this email list. This is just a extra layer of added security. So you'll be in the know. You're here, you're on my YouTube channel. Number one, subscribe to the channel. Number two, smash that bell icon so you get notified. You're going to get notified via email from YouTube the moment I go live, which is going to be this Friday at midnight. You're going to get notice right in your email inbox. You're going to know exactly when the global launch goes live so you could be right here locked in. Now, I want to paint a picture for you here. And this is really the whole point of this video is this. I want to give you some data. So I know I've said with myEcon Global right here in 2025. It's going to be big. It's going to be huge. All that, all that hype stuff. We've talked about that. I want to give you some data. Okay, let me give you some data. I'm going to head over to my email autoresponder here. Okay, I created a list, okay, specifically for myEcon Global. And I have a lot of lists, with varying subscribers, but I want to show you this here. And this is, it's a Monday at the time I'm recording this video. You guys probably won't see it till Tuesday morning, but at the time of this video, 372, so let's just call it almost 400 people that are on my email list exclusively just for the global launch. Just for the global launch. That's people that said, hey, I want to be notified the moment this goes live. All of those people, those almost 400 people, are all from overseas. Okay, those are people that are not here in the United States. Okay, I put that out there to my other email list, my other social media accounts. I said, hey, if you want to be notified the moment this goes live, these are all people that have reached out to me and said, Daniel, I'm trying to sign up. I want to sign up. I want to be in myEcon. I want to be on your team, but I can't because I'm in Australia, Germany, UK, Scotland, wherever it is. We have people that are literally ready to sign up. And by the time we get to Friday, that's going to be up over 400, if not 500 people that are literally just waiting to join. So right off the bat, I want you to understand this. If you are in my rotator, okay, some of those 400 people, 400 potential sales could be going to you, okay? I'm going to be doing live, like legit live, while we are launching this. I'm going to be live right here on my channel on midnight. Okay. I'll leave this link in the description down below too. Okay. So you can go directly to this link right here for the live webinar. Okay. And you can like this. You can even click the little notify me button right there. So that way you get notified the moment I go live. Okay. So all steps that you could take to be in the know. Now, what I'm going to be doing is live on the webinar the moment we launch, people that are signing up live, because again, there's hundreds, up to almost 400 right now, and it'll be up over 400 by the time we get to Friday. That's going to be about 400 people that have said, yes, I want to be notified the moment you go live so I can sign up. Hundreds of sales are going to happen that night in the moment. Hundreds of sales. I'm going to be taking those sales, getting those usernames, plugging them directly into my live global sales rotator, and I'm going to be helping people make sales live. That could be you. That could be you. Okay. The only way that's going to happen is if you get started. Okay. So either A, if you're in the United States, link in the description down below, get yourself started, pick a level, don't care. Okay. Just get on the in so we can drive traffic to your link for you once this goes live. Or if you're outside of the United States, again, links in the description down below. Okay. Get on my launch list. So you're going to know, I'm going to send you an email leading up to, hey, get ready. 3 hours away, 1 hour away. We're going live now. Click here. Okay. We're going to be doing that. And you're also going to be able to link in the description down below. Again, if you're overseas or if you just want to be notified here in the United States, this link here for this live webinar on Friday at midnight is in the description down below. You can come here right to this page. Okay. You can like the video. You can get notified. Click the little notify me button right there again. Okay. So all of those things are going to help you be in the best position. But it's going to be very, very exciting, and I'm going to be helping people live. I'm going to be helping our team make sales live, okay? It's not about me. It's about our team and about helping people get started in the quickest, biggest, most incredible launch that has probably been seen in years, my friend. Again, 20 years in the making here with myEcon. They've been rock solid for 20 years, and they're doing something that they're never done, which, to be honest with you, they probably should have done this years ago, but they didn't. They're doing it right now. And you have the ability to take massive advantage right now. So it's time. It's time for you to be in the best position possible. Okay. I look forward to seeing you on Friday night. It's going to be epic. I've never done a midnight live webinar before, and I'm really, really excited for that. I cannot wait to be live in the moment, plugging people into the sales rotator. I'm going to be shouting the people that are making sales live. I'm going to be shouting them out, celebrating them, helping people make money, as much money as possible. And I'm going to stay live right here on my channel on this webinar. I'm going to be staying live as long as those sales keep coming in. I'm going to stay live. So who knows? I might be on till 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning if those sales keep coming in. So it's going to be a marathon day. And the crazy part is my wife and I have plans on Saturday at noon to go out with some friends for a St. Patty's Day, thing here in Myrtle Beach. So it's going to be a very interesting Saturday. But either way, man, oh man, I'm fired up for you guys. I hope you guys are fired up, man. This is going to create, mark my words, my friend. And I don't think this is an exaggeration at all. This is going to create millionaires over time. This is going to create millionaires, this global launch. So I hope you get that. I hope you understand the magnitude of what is happening here. So appreciate you, my friend. I'll see you on the inside, hopefully before the launch. If you're here in the United States, links in that description down below. Get yourself started. If not, also links in the description. Get on my email list. Make sure you are in the know as much as possible. And of course, if you made it to this point in the video and you haven't, for whatever crazy reason, smash that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you get notified the moment I go live, the moment that we launch. And I look forward to seeing you there, my friend. I look forward to hopefully helping you make sales live. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you real soon.